Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit your invoice design in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Click on Select and Edit Site. If you have only a single website on your Wix account, you will directly land on this page after logging to your Wix account. Now, to edit your invoice design in Wix, simply go to Settings from this left side menu and click on Invoices and Quotes. Go to Invoices, and this is your invoice example. And to edit your design, simply click on, you can edit the header details, business info, tax display, payments received, and also footer notes. Let's start with header details. You can edit the invoicing numbering from here. You can also add a logo. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. You can also add a logo. You can upload it from your computer and start showing it on your invoices. You can, for the header fields, you can add fields to your invoices, but for the issue date and also the due dates, you can't uncheck them or remove them from your invoices. For the business info, you can edit your email and also the company ID by clicking on this Edit Business Info. You can also edit the tax display. You can check or uncheck this option of showing the additional tax column. Also tax breakdown in the total section in this place. You can also enable or disable items subtotals per tax group. For the payments received, you can show or hide the transaction details from your invoice. This is it. And you can add footer notes like thank you for your order or payment is due within 21 days. Notes or terms in the footer of your invoice. And this is how to edit the design of your invoices on Wix website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.